Hey everyone, Dr. Alibhai here. This is a glute workout series. You're going to be doing these exercises which are very simple and fundamental 2 to 3 times a day and 12 to 15 reps for each leg. Make sure you're feeling the burn and you're working hard. Really focus on the exercise. Let's get started. Your heels just a few inches away from your bum, not too close. And you're going to keep your feet flat on the ground, arms by your side, lower back flat up against the ground, rib cage down. Push your heels into the ground and lift your hips up in the air. Hold that there. Good. Squeeze your glutes together like you've got a $100 bill between your butt cheek and you don't want to let it drop. Okay, hold that there. You should feel complete symmetry on both sides. If you're getting a cramp in your hamstring, that means your hamstrings are doing all the work. Take the lacrosse ball and roll that out there up against the ground like that. Hold that there. Put the other leg over it for 30 seconds, then go back. Stay up into that glute bridge right through there. Squeeze the glutes together. Now what you're going to do is straighten out one leg, okay? Straighten out your left leg. Push your right heel into the ground. Hips stay nice and level. Chin tuck, rib cage down. Push through your heel on the right. This leg's doing all the work, but you're also staying nice and level. This leg should be nice and parallel with the other. Hold that there for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. If this is too challenging for you, just stick with the double leg where you're up in this bridge position. Now push your left heel into the ground. Push your heel into the ground. Hold that there. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Bring your legs back down. If you found it was hard to squeeze your glutes, roll out your calves where you're keeping the ball underneath here, cross the other leg over. Hold a trigger point in your calves for 30 seconds on both sides, and now turn the glute back on before you go back and do the exercise again. That'll be very important for you if you're really struggling with that exercise. Next one, we're going to hit the glutes on the side. Side laying exercise. You can support your head with your hand. Bottom leg slightly bent. Top leg, so you can see me, top leg out like this. And rotate your hip inward so your toes are pointing towards the ground. Okay? And then bring your leg forward by about 20 degrees. Just maybe 6 inches. Okay? And now you're going to lift your leg up and down. And you're going to feel a burn start to develop right through here. You may have some tension in the front, but you should be feeling most of it right behind your hip, right where my hand is here. You can even put your fingers on your hip so that you can start to facilitate that, awaken those muscles. Good. Whew. Remember, don't count the reps. Count the effort and the quality. Let's do 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that was too easy, you could bring your leg forward even more and go from there, but that's going to be more challenging, so make sure it's quality first. Okay, we're going to switch sides here. It's my left leg here, okay? Support your head, okay? Bring the leg forward, point the toes towards the ground, and lift up and down. You should feel all the work through here. Control that leg. Like your heel is a paintbrush and you're trying to paint the back wall nice and smooth and controlled. Good. You can feel the burn already. We're going to do 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. If you need to roll out your calves, you can do that. Remember, rolling out the calves activates the glutes. Get nice and tall. Pull your hip into your body. Lift up your arch on the right side. That's the leg that's on the ground, okay? So that you stay nice and strong. And then you're going to simply hinge at your hip, not your back. I don't want any rounding at your back. Your back should not be doing this. Your back should be straight, and it should be your hip that's hinging backwards. So you may have to just even practice that motion first, where your hip is tucking back instead of your back flexing forward, okay? Nice and tall and strong through here. Get your balance, good. and you're gonna be sitting back. You can pause if you need to. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, push through your heel, nice and tall and strong. If you need support still, you can use this, okay? Use a pole, stick, whatever you need. Sit back, back is totally straight, push up. Keep the arch lifted. Breathe in, breathe out, push through your heel, nice and tall and strong. And once see any motion in your upper body. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Okay, we're gonna do 10 reps each side. Nice and strong through here. Lift the arch. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You don't need this. If you're progressing, you can take things away as you get better. Breathe in, breathe out. We'll shake you on that one. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, push through your heel, nice and strong and tall. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, if you don't need this anymore, let's do 5 reps on each side again. Pull your hip into the side of your body, nice and tall. Breathe in, breathe out. Control, don't count the reps, count the effort. 3, 4, 5, switch sides, pull the hip inwards, tall, use your core, right? Keep the rib cage tucked, nice and tall through your upper body. Here, breathe in, push through your heel. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more. Last one, best one. All right, there's a series. Do at least 2 to 3 sets of that. It's gonna make a big difference for you. Take care and go for it.